In this video, we're going to go over why we use Python. So we're going to be using Python through this entire course. And so the entire course is centered around machine learning, data science, all using the language of Python, right? So we're going to go into here why we actually use Python for this particular course and the benefits of Python within the data science space, right? How we can visualize data, how we can use it to our benefit, and really why Python is going to be our go-to language here for the actual data visualization. So let's go ahead and jump into why Python. So Python has emerged as a first-class tool for scientific computing tasks, including the analysis and visualization of large data sets, right? I'm sure you are somewhat familiar if you're taking this course with Python. Perhaps you have some kind of beginner, perhaps you have some sort of experience, perhaps you have some experience, right? You have an understanding fundamentally of how Python works. You've written some code, you've maybe, written some kind of programs, some simple tasks, right? You've automated something. So Python is going to be the tool that we use within this course, and it's really a top-notch tool for being able to visualize data and also to be able to write various machine learning algorithms as well using Python. So we're going to do that all in this course. And so Python initially was not specifically designed with data analysis or scientific computing in mind. That's why Python has had a ton of different libraries that have been added for us to be able to visualize the data within Python, right? We need third-party libraries to be able to allow us to visualize the data, to be able to present it, and be able to showcase it in a very usable manner. So the Python's usefulness for data science comes primarily from the large ecosystem of third-party packages, right? Just like I mentioned, we have a ton of third-party packages that are going to be, available. Just like I mentioned, right? We have the third-party libraries, which we're going to go over and that we're going to be using in this course. So first we have here NumPy, and then we have Pandas for manipulation of heterogeneous and labeled data. And then we have the SciPy for common scientific computing tasks, and then Matplotlib for publication quality visualizations, and then the IPython for interactive execution and sharing of code, and then Scikit-learn for machine learning. So this is really why we use Python here, because they have these libraries that allow us to visualize the information, the data, right, and be able to create various presentations and be able to use it to our advantage. So Python is extremely powerful, and it allows us to be able to use these tools in conjunction with what we're looking to accomplish, right, and be able to create very nice looking data visualizations within Python. So that's going to be here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.